There's frontal boundary that's set up across the region. Big difference in temperatures across the state. And we're going to see waves of low pressure riding right along this boundary. One of those coming through now that's trying to pump in some of that warmer air. Take a look at southern Columbiana County, showing 56 right now in Salineville. Compare that to 38 degrees in Greenville, 37 in Bristolville. That warm air briefly pushes in here as we go through the overnight hours. Temps will try and rise into the 50s across the board before dropping back into the 40s as we get close to sunrise tomorrow. That's a little cooler start compared to where it'll be early in the night before temperatures then jump back toward the upper 60s. That's during the day, especially the early afternoon. Then we start dropping into tomorrow evening back to the 40s. But we're not done there. Thursday night, even colder air moves in. We'll fall to the 20s by Friday morning, and we'll spend most of our day Friday with temperatures in the 20s. Another thing that we'll be dealing with will be the winds. They're coming up a bit into southern Ohio, and I do expect overnight they'll have the potential for gusts picking up. It comes in two rounds. Overnight, a chance for some gusts in that 35 to perhaps near 40-mile-per-hour range. A lull in the winds in the morning, and then getting into the afternoon, I'm watching for some peaks of sun that help try and spike those winds again. We could gust back to around 30 to 40 during the second half of the day Thursday as well. So future tracker shows those showers, the steadier rain moving out here as we go further into the night. We briefly jump into the 50s before turning colder to start the day, and we'll still have a lot of clouds around. Now those clouds start to thin out as we get into the afternoon with those pops of sunshine that helps increase the winds and those temperatures feeling quite warm, a spring-like afternoon before we start seeing temperatures falling as the cold front comes back in. Touches off a few more isolated showers into the afternoon and evening, and then clouds around into tomorrow night as we turn colder. In fact, overnight tomorrow into Friday morning, we could see a few snow showers or flurries. I don't expect it to be a big deal. Colder start to your day Friday. Sun tries to pop out there. Temps stay in the 20s, and it will be a blustery day. Wind chills a factor as those feels like temperatures will hover in the teens through a large part of the day before we start warming things back up again for the weekend. So 45 tonight, scattered showers around early. A rumble of thunder is possible in there. By morning, not a whole lot left of that rain. Temperatures in the 40s to start your day and then spiking as the winds pick up to the upper 60s. And we'll watch for an isolated afternoon shower or sprinkle and then turning colder again tomorrow night with a chance for an isolated flurry or two around on Friday. It will be a blustery day. So even though that high shows in the upper 20s, it's going to feel like it's in the teens. Saturday, mainly cloudy, jumping back to 40 and then adding about 10 more degrees to the high Sunday, near 50 with a little sunshine. Showers return to the forecast Monday. We'll have rain likely and a chance for a few snowflakes during the colder parts of the day on the backside of that storm system on Tuesday.